প্ৰিয় শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকল, আজি মই এই ভিডিঅ'টোত এইবাৰ 2025 চনৰ বাবে অতিকৈ প্ৰয়োজনীয় এটি এছে জুবিন গাৰ্গৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিছোঁ। প্ৰথমে আছে ইন্ট্ৰডাকশ্যন। Zubin Garg was one of the greatest singer in Assam. He was not only a singer but also a music composer, actor, film director and social worker. People called him Voice of Assam. Early life. Zubin Garg was born on 18 November 1972 in Tura, Meghalaya. From childhood, he loved singing and playing instruments. Family history. His father Mohini Mohan Barthakur was a poet and lyrics. His mother Eli Barthakur was a great singer. His wife's name is Gorima Soikia Garg. His activity. Zubin Garg was a very talented and versatile artist. He sang in Assamese, Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi and many other languages. In his lifetime, he sang more than 38,000 songs in about 40 languages. In Bollywood, his most popular song was Ya Ali from the film Gangster. Honors and awards. Zubin won the Best Music Director Award in 2005. Zubin received the Best Male Playback Singer Award and Stardust Award in 2006. Social life. He always helped the poor. He was an extraordinary person who loved animals, birds and nature. He organized the Kolaguru Artists Foundation. Conclusion. On 19 September 2025, Zubin Garg passed away in Singapore at the age of 52. The Assam government gave him state honor and people all over the country mourned his loss. His songs will live forever. Thanks for watching.